It's not how you stand by your car, it's how you race your car.
Dad, hit the launch control, Dad. What's up, Dad?
Hi. Wow.
What were you doing? Race car ready?
Fucking putting windows in.
What's going on, everybody? Tonight we are going over to Twin Peaks. We got the boys with us over here. We got Kyle and Emilio. Also got old sketchy DA.
What's up, girl?
Old Wyatt. Bringing the black Civic out. Kyle's chilling, filming me. Be awkward.
I'm letting you.
And I also got my friend from Iowa. This is Austin. Everybody say hi to Austin. We are waiting for this bitch ass. Are you ready or what? What are you doing? Let's go. Vamonos.
Let's go.
All right, we're about to head out right now. Stop right here. Car's getting a little warm, like 225-ish. I'm still gonna. It should be all right. It's cooled off a little bit. It's nice as hell out. It's gonna be a fun ass night.
I do too. Or
I forgot to tell everybody. Thank you for this battery cutoff switch.
Yeah, don't you forget it.
Thank
I'll
you.
comment on all your videos.
At Sketchy DA on the YouTubes.
See, I got parts from your CRX. You got parts from the DA.
Works out good.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's what I wanted to do. I had no patience.
yeah, this is like straight up your style.
Hell yeah.
What do you guys think?
I was just showing Nick. This is like his style, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's pretty badass.
You about that ridiculous life?
Oh yeah.
Well, I will be here in about an hour.
Yeah, well, I was gonna say, you look
He's
different
not in
without your costume.
He's not in costume.
Yeah, I'm on PG life right now. I got to handle a captain in the trailer, so
It'll be rated R real soon.
it's gonna be lit.
How you been, Jamie? You been good?
Dude.
You got your SRT4 out here?
Yeah.
I'll go show him here in a little bit.
See how quick we can break the tranny tomorrow.
You trying to beat me tomorrow in the 140 rolls or what?
I'm in the 150 rolls.
Oh, you're in the 150?
The Civic's in the 140 rolls. And just to warn you, it goes like 137 every time.
Hey, I'm gonna turn mine down.
Every time it goes 137.
Hopefully on the test pass I can get it to go about 140.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we'll see.
You just got to get it dialed so it goes that same thing every time.
I'm excited. It's gonna be fun tomorrow. It's gonna be hot, but it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Yo, so I was talking to him. I took flight B-roll. I was flying over. We're from Philly area.
What you think, fool?
I mean, it looks like the curse to me.
We got a rare sighting out here. We found a wild Emilio out here.
Where's he at?
Dude,
Oh,
hey,
he's
where
right
is he
here.
at? Oh shit, dude.
Hey, I got you some fried pickles and some chips over there for
Oh,
you.
did you really?
Feed the belly.
You know that dad bought hungry, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks, baby.
Hi, my name is Wyatt. Do you want a sexy model to pose on your car? Call me. You guys might want to look away.
Hey, watch that. That's the one you dented last time.
It's not how you stand by your car, it's how you race your car. That's all you get, fucker.
The night's gonna pass tomorrow?
I want an 890 out the back door
From a roll?
from a dig.
From a dig?
Yeah,
You're
fucking
crazy.
step up your game, buddy.
We're doing 8th mile. 5's in the 8th. 5's in the
I
8th.
want a 558th mile.
You're crazy. I don't know about
Nah.
550. Maybe 5.9.
You need me to drive it? 'Cause I will.
Yes.
I'll
Yes,
get in the
Daddy.
damn thing.
Yes, Daddy, drive it.
Dork.
What are you doing, bro?
Really?
So,
Hey, hey. Hayden, everybody's waiting for you to floor it, but you're not flooring it. He's got the crowd now. He's gonna turn on.
Man, hit the launch control, dude.
You're gonna have to compete with this too afterwards, though. You're gonna have to compete with it.
Mine doesn't launch control like this.
Still sounds good.
Where you at, Hayden?
Mine doesn't do that.
Hayden need a two-step out. Where's Wyatt at?
Today you're testing the.
Where's Wyatt at?
I don't know where he's at.
Me and Wyatt.
Hey, Wyatt!
Hey, what?
You're being called out.
Come on, nobody wants to hear.
You know you're gonna do it.
Okay, who wants to hear his piece of shit? Nobody.
Yeah! Woo!
Put your hands down.
What's the RPM? Closer. We got literally the whole crowd everywhere.
There were street cars this weekend. I needed to turn them down. I had a stage 1, 2. I'm too short for this, bro.
Damn, that's a nice detail job, bro.
Camilio. Don't state this fucking shit. Branding K job. These are for aerodynamics.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
golf balls.